Hey guys, welcome back. And today, you know Hurricane Florence is coming through, right? Well, it's very windy outside right now, but yeah, look at the crowds. It's just moving really fast. So yeah, as you can see, wind might blow up to my hair and everything. Trees are moving all the time, and yeah, I don't like I was about to say Hurricane Hugo, but that's from 19 something. But yeah, Hurricane Florence is coming, and it will come from that way, like that way, like no, kind of like going like that way, kind of. So, and already tree limbs and sticks falling. There's been like a pile behind me. See that pile right there? See? Yeah. Then, I don't know why, but we got a bunch of crushed rocks. And the only reason why, I was trying to see if there's gold inside. But no. Which is unlucky for me. As you can see over there, is like, trees are just flinging around because of the wind. The clouds are moving really fast. Everything. Yeah. Right now I'm gonna like just walk around. Yeah. My dad's inside. Didn't notice. So yeah. Yeah, that's my house. Like you see that that right there? You see that? That's my room. That that one right there, that's beside that window, that's mine. That's my room. So yeah, this is like a bunch of tree limbs and sticks and everything. There's one like standing up and a couple right here. And this is my trampoline, and yeah. But I don't really like play on it much because it has a bunch of leaves on it and pointy things, you know, and corns or something. So yeah. Right now, look at my yard. It's just a bunch of leaves because it's almost fall. Yeah. So basically, I just want to show you how the hurricane's doing right now in Pagewood, South Carolina. So I hope I will survive through it, and yeah, pretty good. Yeah, I just don't need that. Don't know where it went. Oh wait, it went round over there. Yeah. Soon I want a vlog camera, like not this one that I'm holding, but the one, you know how YouTubers like SML, Logan Paul, any YouTubers that use those vlog cameras. I want those in the future, maybe. And that's my playground. Don't usually play on it much, but yeah. And a bunch of rocks shattered. Trying to see if there's gold inside, but they're not. Sadly, but yeah. Okay, so, and this is like my dad's boat and my dad's lawnmower. It's pretty cool. See behind me, but yeah. Right now, let's look at the crowds. Let's trip. Alright, the crowds are moving really fast still, and the hurricane's coming soon. It'll take like a couple hours, a few hours, I don't know. And if you look inside here, this is like a bunch of leaves, like mostly millions. And actually, this is where my dog used to live, in this pit. But now she's dead because of being too old. I think she died 12 years old in human years, but yeah. But in dog years, I don't know. I think 12 is dog years. I don't know. Yeah. So that's my dog's house. This door actually has her name, and it says Lacey. Yeah, not Gracie, Lazy. Sounds like saying lazy, but it's Lacey, not Gracie. That's my cousin's name. But yeah. let's like hang around in my playground. Okay. All right. So this is what the inside of my playground looks like. It's beautiful, mostly, but yeah. So when I was like young, I used to like look through here, and it actually has an age limit, and it says ages 4 and 12. There's like a stink bug. Don't want to mess with. Don't want to mess with that big guy. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, there's a stink bug behind me. I don't want to mess with the big guy, but yeah. When you see a stink bug in your house, just probably kill it. Yeah, that's what I would do. I would just kill it, or tell my mom and kill it for me or something. You think like stink bugs are like, will stink, like it'll smell bad, but apparently not sometimes. Yeah, mostly stink bugs don't usually smell a lot. If you smell the scent and you know there's gonna be a stink bug around, you should probably like go away. But yeah, the crowds are just moving fast. I don't know why, and the wind's moving. I don't know if y'all can hear me from the wind, but yeah. So I don't know what just happened here. Yeah. So actually, that's behind me, but yeah. This is whenever I need to like hang out or cool. This is that. So it's pretty cool actually. Oh, really cool when I let the camera look up and there's like stuff in my shoe now. Ugh. Oh man, put the things in my Croc. Yeah. Have you ever wanted to wear Crocs? Well, that's old thing now. You shouldn't wear it much. So yeah. This tree is supposed to be like a Christmas tree, a huge one, but now since my dad cut some limbs off, it's now like a shed. Like, you should probably like make a tiny house, maybe. So that stuff in my shoes, I should like now go away because there's stuff getting in my shoes. Oh boy. God. I really wish I want to be a YouTuber. Like, really bad. So, hurricane's coming and I want to be safe. So, yeah. Alright, that's the end. This is the end of the video. Hope you like this video and hope you subscribe. I want to hope you subscribe down below and get much subscribers so I can be at VidCon. Alright. I always want to go to VidCon. So yeah. Bye everyone.